So right here we have our dual pressure washer solution, specifically the Krinsla K1322 version. And the most common question we get about this is, why would you do something like this? Why do you need this? And why we recommend it to some people. So the first reason we like this is that it's super powerful and it's in a very usable form. So we're getting the flow, the power, everything out of two pressure washer units with the ease of use of these simpler, nicer ones, the K1322. So compared to something like the KWS 700, which is a massive pressure washer that needs 240 volt power, it's harder to get parts for, it has a 30-second ramp up, ramp down. These are a lot more user-friendly, easier to get parts for, things like that. And you're still getting those really impressive numbers out of it. As far as numbers with the performance, you can expect to get 4+ gallons per minute, either with this Krinsla setup or with the AR setup. If you're not super familiar with pressure washers, 4+ gallons per minute is incredible. That is ridiculous, and it's really nice to have. The second thing, and arguably the most important if you're running a detailing shop, any sort of professional business, is redundancy. So we have our two pressure washers that can run independently by using these valves. So if one was to ever die on me, I could just switch a valve, and then I have another one ready to go. Also, if you are detailing and you need a little bit more power, you can run them both at the same time, and that'll give you that power you need. And the third and last reason is just that it's really cool. I mean, it's the best of the best. It's the most power. We know that this kit's not going to be for everybody, but if you already have the custom install solution, or you just really value your pressure washing and washing your car, this is basically as good as it can get. So that's it. That's why we offer a dual pressure washer setup. If you already have a custom install, either the Krinsla or the AR, we do sell upgrade kits to upgrade to a dual setup. And as always, if you have any questions about this or anything else, let us know in the comments or at support@obsessedgarage.com.